Alright you guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. What is up you guys? My name is Laura Nicole and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm about to show you guys what I do for my, oh my god, I cannot think. What is wrong with me? I'm about to show you guys what I do to keep my hair pretty much protected, strengthened, and just pretty much keep it at bay while it's under wigs. Since I have been a little busy, I haven't had enough time to actually do my hair and wear my hair. So lately I've just been wearing wigs lately, and sometimes I do wear it out, but it's mainly in protective styles. So this doesn't just work for under wigs, it works for protective styles as well. So without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on all of my socials, and let's get right on into the video. Starting out, let me take these glasses off because this is probably irritating y'all. So starting out, I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Intensive Conditioner. I like to use this to pre-poo and to condition. And then to wash my hair, I'm going to be using the Kinky Curly Come Clean, their shampoo. I love this shampoo. And then on the deep condition, I'm going to be trying out this Briogeo Rice Water Strengthening Treatment. This is their newest product. And then also to leave in, I'm going to be using my restorative spray. As you guys can see, I'm running out, so yeah, I'm gonna have to re-up on this, but this is my favorite spray. And I'm also going to be using this Olaplex Bond Smoother. I've heard really good things about this, so I want to try it out. To detangle, I always use the Tangle Teaser. I use the one for thick hair. And then of course clips and combs. You always want to keep clips and combs around. And then of course what I'm going to be using to dry my hair and all that. I'm just about to do this in the sink. I didn't want to do it in the shower just because that would have been way too much. And you guys are going to watch me, so I'm going to switch you guys up some more. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is you give me a really good feeling. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. Something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of what you way. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Next to you, I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish you away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
underway. You can feel my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Alright you guys, so this is my hair and I'm just gonna let this air dry for like a day and a half, and then I'm gonna go and do my braids as usual for what I do under my my wigs. So with that being said, you can wear this as a protective style. So usually like when I tie it down, it's gonna dry like this. So it's just some really cute braids, honestly, nothing too crazy. I don't like to do too much to my hair when it comes to protective styles, because some protective styles can put a lot of stress and tension on the hair depending on which one you do. So this is how my hair turned out, and yeah, I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. And make sure you guys go check out this product. This product works so freaking good on my hair. It was literally instant, and you leave it on for only 10 minutes. That being said, I will definitely be buying the full size, and I will definitely be making that my staple. And also the Olaplex Smoother. I did like what this did do for my hair. Like, it just, my hair was a breeze to get through. I only need a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. It's not necessarily for slip, but it's just to make the smoothing process easier, if that makes any sense. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team?